Okay, dinner. So let's set up the camera properly here. Tonight we've got ready, set, cook teriyaki chicken. Now this is for two. Yeah, two people, and I usually eat for about half, maybe 3/4 of a person. So there's a lot of food here, but instead of buying all the ingredients to make a stir fry, this is actually quite handy. So I just picked up the local grocery store. I got my cook stove, propane stove, cooktop. Ooh, it actually smells pretty good. Peppers, onions, celery, broccoli, carrots, cauliflower, sauce, yakisoba noodles. Oh,